Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fall Guys character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking French fries. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is pretty cool looking and it's actually very easy to draw. We're going to begin with drawing the overall head shape first. So it's just going to be one circle. And then from here we're drawing the eyes. So here's the middle of the circle. I'm going to come down slightly. Let's draw 2 little curves like this first, and then we'll go straight down, because that's going to be the top of the eye. And then we'll just round it off. And let me shade it in real quick. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the, I guess the box for the fries. So just come up right around here. I'm just going to come out, draw 2 little lines like that first. And then from here we're going to draw in one big curve from here to here, just right underneath the circle. So this part's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then once we have that, we can draw in the full body here. So come to the side, and this one's going to be pretty big. Just draw 2 curves coming down and make it a little bit more skinny on the bottom. And then close it off. And then since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up the legs. Right in the center here, come down. On either side, just draw 1 little line first. And then to finish up the foot, just come here, curve, and then close it out. So just come out here, curve, close it out flat. Okay, so let's come back up here, and I know there's some details in here. Let's go ahead and draw in the fries first. So we're coming back up, and there's going to be a bunch of them, and we're just going to draw in the center one first. So just right on top of the circle here. Just draw 2 lines, and then we'll close that off. And then there's going to be one more here. We'll go up on each side, come across, and then just kind of come down. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as we have some of these fries coming up. go up, give this one a little bit more of a slant, and then just come back down. So those are the three main ones, and let's draw some more on the side right here. We'll go out, and this one's gonna be behind this one. Okay, so same thing here, go up, come across, and then just come in. And now let's draw in some more, just on the back right here. Up. Or if you want, you can draw in a line like this first. That's gonna be the top of the fries. And then just come down. Maybe that's a little bit easier. So like right here, let's just draw one line across. And then just come in right behind those two fries. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms, and the arms are pretty simple. So just come to the bottom right here. Here's the shoulders, gonna be the top of the arm, or top of the shoulder. Curve down. Come right around here. It's gonna be the armpit, just come down again. So here's the wrist. And then now we're gonna draw in the thumb first, just come down, just one little hook. Here's the back of the hand. And then one finger here, just continue down, curve it up, and come back into the thumb. And we can add in one more finger in the back here, just one little curve. Okay, so same thing here. Curve down to right around here. We can use the other side for reference. Here's the armpit. And then again for the thumb, come down. It's one little hook. Then here's the back of the hand. For the finger, we'll come down, hook it, just connect. And then for this one, we can put in the finger on the inside here. So we're gonna draw one little hook. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body. And then now for the little details inside, we're gonna draw one more big curve. Just follow the inside curve. Just draw it on the outside. All right, and if you want to, we can add in those little zigzags. So I'm gonna add in one line across first. And right in the center of this, make two little marks, and then I'm gonna zigzag this way. So slant over here, and then here, down, and then one more going back this way. And then for this one, I'm gonna add in one more, so it's pretty much gonna be the same as this line here. So I'm just gonna follow it, same as this, but this part's gonna be shaded. So we're gonna add in one little line here. And then on this side, I'm gonna add in another line. It's pretty much the same as this. So this part's gonna be shaded. All right, so that is it for this fries. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.